In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis. But more precisely, we will see nul and nulle. So, this lesson is about nul and nulle. And they mean none. Remember, it must be used with ne. And it is used as an adjective or as a pronoun. So obviously, we'll see the two situations. Let's start with the first one. Je n'ai nulle envie de lui répondre. In that case, we're using that as an adjective. Je n'ai nulle envie de lui répondre. So you can see that nul here is connected to envie. Envie is a feminine noun, so in that case, nul should be in the feminine form like that. Nulle envie. Je n'ai nul endroit où aller. Je n'ai nul endroit où aller. So in that situation, nul is connected to endroit. Endroit is masculine, so nul will be in the masculine form. Nulle envie, nul endroit. So this is when we use nul as an adjective. So let's see now when we use them as pronouns. Nul n'est venu lui demander. Nul n'est venu lui demander. So as you can see here, we use it as a pronoun, and in that situation, we can even use it as a subject. Nul n'est venu lui demander. So in that situation, I'm putting the masculine form, and here the feminine form. Nul ne viendrait avec moi. Pronoun, I'm using it as a subject, starting with it. Don't forget, we said that we need definitely to construct it with ne, so ne must be right after. Nul ne viendrait avec moi. So remember, nul and nulle can be used as adjectives and also as pronouns.